Hey everyone, welcome back to Tea of the Week. This week we are featuring organic Hangover Relief Tea, and with 4th of July right around the corner, hangovers may occur. However, organic Hangover Relief Tea isn't just for hangovers, it's also a wonderfully refreshing and tasty blend that aids in rehydration and recovery. Organic green tea is an excellent choice for rehydration and recovery due to its rich antioxidant content and hydrating properties. Green tea also contains essential minerals like potassium, which play a crucial role in maintaining electrolyte balance and proper hydration. The moderate caffeine content provides a gentle energy boost, aiding in fatigue without causing the jitters associated with high caffeine beverages. Its natural diuretic effect helps flush out toxins, promoting overall health and well-being. Organic ginger aids in digestion, ensuring that the body effectively absorbs essential nutrients and fluids, which are critical for rehydration. The antioxidant properties of ginger help combat oxidative stress, reducing cell damage and enhancing overall recovery. Furthermore, ginger's soothing effects can alleviate nausea and stomach discomfort, making it a versatile addition to any recovery regimen. Organic milk thistle is renowned for its benefits in rehydration and recovery, particularly due to its potent liver-supporting properties. The active compound silymarin is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect liver cells from damage and promotes their regeneration, aiding in the detoxification process. Milk thistle also has anti-inflammatory properties, reducing inflammation and supporting overall recovery from physical stress. By improving liver function, milk thistle enhances the body's ability to flush out toxins. Peppermint supports digestive health, promoting efficient nutrient absorption and hydration by soothing the digestive tract. Its natural anti-inflammatory properties help reduce inflammation and discomfort, facilitating quicker recovery from physical exertion. Additionally, peppermint has been shown to enhance respiratory function, ensuring better oxygen flow and overall vitality. The invigorating aroma of peppermint can also boost mood and mental clarity, aiding in the mental aspect of recovery. Turmeric supports liver function, promoting detoxification and ensuring the efficient processing of fluids and nutrients essential for hydration. Its antioxidant properties help combat oxidative stress, reducing cell damage and enhancing overall recovery. Turmeric also supports immune function, helping the body recover more swiftly from physical stress and illness. Additionally, turmeric aids in digestion, ensuring the body effectively absorbs the necessary nutrients and fluids for proper hydration. Organic fennel is an excellent herb for rehydration and recovery, particularly after dehydration. Its natural electrolytes and high water content help restore the body's hydration levels effectively. Fennel seeds are rich in minerals such as potassium, magnesium, and calcium, which are crucial for maintaining fluid balance and preventing muscle cramps. Additionally, fennel has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce swelling and aid in the recovery of muscles. The herb also supports digestion and can alleviate bloating and discomfort. For this week's recipe, we are introducing the Hangover Hero, a soothing and refreshing tea infusion for recovery and hydration. To begin, steep a couple teaspoons of organic Hangover Relief Tea leaves in 8 ounces of hot water for 2 to 4 minutes. While the tea cools, add some fresh mint leaves, ice, and sugar to a glass. Then fill the glass about 3/4 of the way with steeped tea and top with coconut water. Add some lime juice and give it a stir. Thank you for joining us for this week's edition of our Tea of the Week series. We hope you enjoyed learning about the remarkable benefits of organic Hangover Relief Tea. Whether you're seeking faster recovery and rehydration after a night out or simply looking for a revitalizing and hydrating blend, this green tea blend is the ideal choice. Stay tuned for next week's feature, where we'll continue to explore the diverse and delightful world of teas. Don't forget to share your thoughts and experiences with us in the comments below or on our social media pages. Until next time, happy steeping.